Hello students, let us continue exercise 13.3 surface area and volume NCERT exemplar book. Now we discuss question number 8. A small village having a population of 5,000 requires 75 liter of water per head per day. 75 liter of water per head per day. This means one person requires 75 liter of water per day. Now next, the village has got an overhead tank of measurement 45 meter into 25 meter into 15 meter. Length 40 meter, breadth 25 meter, height 15 meter. This is your cuboidal water tank. For how many days will the water of this tank last? Now, volume of water contained in the tank equal to length multiply breadth multiply height meter cube. 40 multiply 25 multiply 15, that is 15,000 meter cube. We know that very well. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So 15,000 multiplied by 1000, we get 1 crore 50 lakh liter. Now water need for one person equal to 75 liter. Water need for 5,000 person per day equal to 75 multiply 5,000, that is 3,75,000 liter. Number of days the water will of this tank last equal to total water divided by 3,75,000. 3030 cancel. Now 15 1 ja 15, 15 0 0, 15 0 0, 15 2 ja 30, 15 5 ja 75, 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, 25 0 0, 40 days. Hence, water will last for this tank is 40 days. Now next question 9. A shopkeeper has one spherical laddu of radius 5 cm. With the same amount of material, how many laddus of radius 2.5 cm can be made? Now first we find the volume of spherical laddu with radius 5 cm. Now number of laddus, volume of spherical laddus of radius 5 cm divided by volume of spherical laddus of radius 2.5 cm. 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Pi cancel out, 4 upon 3 cancel out, we get r cube upon small r cube. Value of r is 5. 5 is radius. 5 into 5 into 5. Small radius 2.5. 2.5 multiply 2.5 multiply 2.5. Now we calculate 5 into 5 into 5 upon 25, 25, 25. Remove decimal point. 10 into 10 into 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that is 8 laddu. Now next, a right triangle with side 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter is revolved about the side 8 centimeter. Find the volume and the curved surface area of the solid so formed. Now given when a right angle triangle is revolved about 8 centimeter, then we get a cone. This is your height and this is your base, and angle opposite to 90 degree is 100 is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 10. Base square plus perpendicular square equal to 10 square. When a right angle triangle revolve about 8 centimeter, then we get a cone. Now radius 6 centimeter, height 8 centimeter, length 10 centimeter. Volume of cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3, value of pi is 22 upon 7, r is 6, 6 into 6, h is 8, multiply 8. Now their calculation is 301.71 centimeter cube. Now curved surface area of the cone. Also find the curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of the cone pi RL. Pi is 22 upon 7, multiply r is 6, and L is slant height is 10. Slant height is 10. At their calculation 188.57 centimeter square. This is your required answer. Now do exercise 13.3 in your fair notebook. Thank you.